Hello, Mohammed. So I've caught a mistake that will require a little bit of rework, and I apologize. My instructions, I guess, were not clear enough. Um, uh, you mentioned that you have, for quadrants 1 to 8, used the dash 1 version. That's not what I intended. For the very first video that I was describing, you'll use the dash 1, but for the other ones, I believe you'll use the dash 2, and I'll tell you what I mean. Um, I'd like you to do the updates that you did yesterday for the videos where we've linked the interactive videos to. So here, that's dash 2. Um, Here, interactive videos linked to is dash 2. Here, interactive videos linked to is dash 2. Um, yeah, the thing I'm trying to avoid is you to update the videos where we have the end button updated. Here that happens to be dash 3. Um, Here that happens to be dash 2, right? This is the one we don't want to update from. For 6 times 5, 6 times 5 is the only video where I'm not seeing, oh, it'd probably be up here, unhide rows. Yeah, interactive videos linked to, this happens to be a dash 1. So here you would update it from this. So I apologize. I know this is going to be as frustrating for you because you don't like rework as it is for me. But I'm going to pay you 100% for your time. This is my mistake in not making this clear enough, not yours. I'd like you to do the updates that were discussed. Well, the first thing I'd like you to do is to find the videos that you have just updated and delete them because we're just not going to use them. So please, it sounds painful, but please do that. So delete the videos you just made. And the second thing would be to do the corrections that were described for the interactive videos linked to version. For the very first video in quadrant 1, that happens to be 6 times 5. But for the second one, interactive videos linked to, that's the dash 2 version. For the third one, that's the dash 2 version. For the fourth one, that's the dash 2 version. Yeah, so you built the correct one for this particular video because you built it from the dash 1, which is interactive videos. But I believe for the remainder of them, no, unhide. Yeah, I believe the remainder of them have the dash 2. So I'd like you to do the updates from the version that has the interactive answer videos linked to. Yeah, so please redo that. I know that's a lot of work, but please spend a day to redo that. Thank you, and I apologize that wasn't made clear enough. I described why, but I wasn't clear enough that the version to use was the interactive video version, not just the dash 1 version, because the single example I gave was the only exception to that rule, the 6 times 5 video, where the dash 1 version is the correct version to build from. So please get back, and it's so great that you did this all in one day. Please go back and build from the version that has the interactive video hotspot, the interactive videos built in. And just to be clear here, that would be, here you build from the dash 2 version, not the dash 3 version. Here, build from the, yeah, all the other examples are from dash 2. It's just the 6 times 5 has the dash 1. Not sure why that worked out the way it did, but that's the way it is. So please redo those answer section videos, and let me check for quadrant 9 if that's the correct one. Quadrant 9 interactive videos. So quadrant 9 is correct. Quadrant 9 has the -2 version, and so you built it from -2, built it from, yes. So quadrant 9 is fine. Quadrant 9 is finished. But quadrants 1 through 8, yeah, are built from a wrong version. You've got it right for quadrant 1, because quadrant 1 was the only -1 version. That was the one that you should have built from, but all the other ones should have been -2, because we were trying to avoid building from, we wanted to build from videos that have the interactive answer videos, the animated answer videos, which is the -2 version, but not that round where we installed the lack of the black 3-second video, which was the -3 version. But you had built from the -1 version, which was even before we installed the animated answer videos. So now all of these have non-animated answer videos, which we don't want. So please, for quadrants 1 through 8, except for this story is the only one that was built from the correct version. Build from the version that has the interactive videos, and the animated answer videos. And then delete these, I suppose, because we're not going to use them in the future, and I don't want to use them accidentally. So thank you so much for your work, but please make that adjustment. Thank you so much, and apologies for the mistake, and thank you. I'm here if you have any questions. Thanks, Khalid. Bye.